Transforming your front yard into a masterpiece of evergreen elegance begins with the careful selection of coniferous plants, each contributing its unique form, texture, and color to the landscape. Imagine a lush, inviting space framed by a curated assortment of conifers, towering blue spruces with their striking pyramidal shape, compact and charming dwarf Alberta spruces that offer delightful contrast, and gracefully cascading weeping Norway spruces that add a touch of whimsy. Together, these elements create a dynamic, layered landscape that captivates the eye and draws guests toward the entrance of a modern craftsman-style home. In this thoughtfully designed garden, the strategic placement of varied conifer specimens not only enhances visual appeal, but also establishes a sense of structure. For an added splash of contrast against the rich greens and blues, consider integrating varieties with golden yellow foliage that gleam in the light. This blend of colors elevates the aesthetic, ensuring that your front yard remains a focal point throughout the changing seasons. Low-maintenance ground cover and carefully selected decorative rocks are employed to encircle the bases of the conifers. These elements not only provide textural diversity, but also simplify upkeep, allowing homeowners to enjoy their landscape with minimal effort. As twilight descends, subtle landscape lighting takes center stage, elegantly illuminating the unique shapes and silhouettes of the trees. This artistry creates a breathtaking ambiance, highlighting the year-round structural interest of the Evergreen Elegance design. Whether graced with a light dusting of frost or basking in the golden light of dusk, your front yard, adorned with these stunning conifers, will evoke admiration and warmth. With a harmonious blend of nature and design, the appeal of your home will extend beyond its architectural features, transforming the exterior into an enchanting experience that beckons to be explored. Embrace the beauty of evergreen elegance and let your front yard shine with an enchanting twilight glow.